Good day everyone, it's me again, Kim Valiente, and welcome back to my channel.
Zombie Apocalypse.
Ayan mga kaibigan, for today's video, so can see, nasa school po kami because I'm with Mary Ann and Vinto Celia. Kaninong umaga si Vince pumunta sa iba't ibang bahay, so ibig sabihin home visit. Kasi that is one of the programs we have in school, to visit his students. And at the same time, si Mary Ann nandito, of course, she is finalizing the grades of the undergrad students, right?
Yes.
And ako naman, I am actually finalizing the grades of other students. So, kailangan siyang isumite na kasi may deadline na. So, as of this moment, katatapos lang po namin kumuha ng video, standby kasi makikita niyo po. Okay? Thank you for watching everyone, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, ano pa hinihintay natin? Subscribe na po. See you! Well, kwenta mo na. Are you now? You know that song?
I need you now.
Isa.
If you
Oh, gusto ko talaga ng aming lalaki.
Ang puso ko'y mapabigyan. Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Sa tingin, pwede mo ba sabihin? Salamin sa ayokong maniwala, eh.
Zombie Apocalypse.